Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango lassi now that we have mango in season. So I have this mango over here. I have a tablespoon, almost a tablespoon of cardamom, and if you don't have cardamom you can use cinnamon. Yeah, and it's optional, you can skip it. We have sugar, we have plain milk, and we have plain yogurt. Yeah, so stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my lassi mango juice. Peel my mango. So the first step, I'm going to peel my mango, guys, like that. Let's add everything in our blender. My milk, my plain yogurt, cardamom, tablespoon sugar. Cover your blender. And this here is mango lassi, guys. It is so delicious, easy to prepare, and so filling, guys. So I recommend you to go and try the recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching the video. I don't take it for granted. Let me enjoy my mango lassi. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.